Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering your Nedis device and putting it into pairing mode. Watch the LED for a steady blink. Open the Nedis Smartlife app and sign in or create an account so settings sync. Make sure your phone is connected to the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz, because many devices won't see 5 GHz. Once done, tap Add Device and select the correct device type to start the discovery process. Next, you'll select the exact device type in the app and verify the LED pattern matches the on-screen example. This prevents pairing the wrong model. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password exactly, including capitalization, and tap Connect. This lets the device receive network credentials and request an IP address. If pairing stalls, use the app's manual AP mode or rescan. Make sure the phone stays close to the device so the signal doesn't drop during this exchange. Finally, name your device, assign it to a room, and test turning it on and off from the app so you confirm function. Check for available firmware updates and enable them, then link Google Assistant or Alexa if you want voice control. If the device doesn't appear online, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset for 10 to 15 seconds, restart your router, and try pairing again. If problems persist, move closer and retry. Most issues are signal or credential errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.